Yes, welcome back students. This is part 2, Industrial Pollution part 2. This is module 3, lesson 4, part 2. Module 3, lesson 4, part 2, Industrial Pollution in India. In this part, we are going to discuss effects of industrial pollution and measures to control industrial pollution. Let us start with effects of industrial pollution. Industrial pollution is an example of negative externality whose cost is owned by a third party. Following are the effects of industrial pollution. Number 1. Effects on human health. Industrial pollution has been responsible for contamination of air, water and natural environment. This has affected the health of the people. Industrial toxic wastes are responsible for the disease like lung infection, cancer, asthma, deafness, etc. Second, low labor productivity. An unhealthy pollution of the polluted cities cannot productively contribute to the economy. Pollution-related illnesses have been major cause of absenteeism, lack of concentration at workplace. It results in low labor productivity. Third, low agricultural productivity. The toxic materials dumped by the industrial units cause soil and groundwater contamination. This affects the fertility of the soil. The consumption of contaminated crops causes health problem. Next, global warming. Global warming leads to rising water levels due to melting of glaciers, which is a constant threat of natural disasters like flooding, tsunami, several storms, etc. Due to global warming, many animals and fishes are getting extinct. Effect on wildlife. Industrial pollution and industrial activities have led to the destruction of the natural habitats of animals. Many wildlife species face extinction due to this factor. Next point, depletion of green cover and biodiversity. Green cover helps balance temperature. They are essential to protect areas and human health affected by rising temperatures due to global warming. Unregulated industrial activities have been responsible to loss of green cover. These are the effects of industrial pollution. 6 effects, pointers and explanation is important in your answer. Next, industrial pollution control measures in India. So the question can be, explain the measures to control industrial pollution. Number 1, constitutional amendment. India's environmental protection policies are based on the views expressed at the United Nations Conference on Human Environment. The 42nd Amendment to the Constitution added to Articles 48A and 51A, making the government and citizens responsible for protecting the environment. Second, the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974. This was the first major pollution control legislation. The Act provides both general and industrial specific standards for discharge of various pollutants into water bodies. It also lays down penalties for non-compliance. Next, the Air Prevention and Control Pollution Act 1982. This act was passed to prevent and control air pollution. According to the act, noise is an air pollutant and it contaminates the environment. Fourth, the Environment Protection Act 1986. This act was enacted as a consequence of Bhopal gas tragedy of 1984. The act has given vast powers to the central government. Fifth, Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB. This is a statutory organization under the Ministry Environment, Forest and Climate Change. CPCB conducts environmental assessment and research. It has the responsibility of maintaining national standards under various environmental laws. Sixth, Public Liability Insurance Act 1991. This act provides for public liability insurance for the purpose of providing immediate relief to persons affected by accidents occurring while handling any hazardous substances. Next, Clean Technology Scheme. In 1994, the government initiated a grant-in-aid scheme for the development of promotion of clean technology in industries. The government provides grant to those industrial projects that have developed innovative clean technologies. Eighth, emission standards. In 2005, India adopted emission standards. Ninth, hazardous waste management regulation. Hazardous wastes are byproducts of industrial activities. Handling such waste cause damage to health. Some of the rules dealing with hazardous waste management are Hazardous Waste Rules 2008, Biomedical Waste Rules 1998, Municipal Solid Waste Rules 2000, etc. Despite all legislative efforts of Government of India, India has large number of its major cities among the most polluted cities of the world. River and sea pollution are the major problems in India. So student, here the lesson is over, and in this lesson there are two parts that I told you. In the first part we discuss the types of industrial pollution and causes of industrial pollution. The question can be explain the types of industrial pollution and causes of industrial pollution. In the second part we discussed effects of industrial pollution. What are the effects of industrial pollution and what are the measures to control the industrial pollution in India. So in effects there are 6 effects we discussed, and in the measures we discussed 9 measures government has taken to control the pollution in India. Thank you very much.